Hello friends! Recently we told you about how Russian restorers brought back to life a combat I-16 aircraft that had made an emergency landing in the taiga during World War II. Reenactors have completed the first stage of restoration on another wartime aircraft, which was found in 2020. This time, it's a rare single-seat model of the IL-2 ground attack aircraft. Only a small number of these were produced in 1941, as later versions of the IL-2 were manufactured with a cockpit for both the pilot and a rear gunner radio operator. The restoration was carried out at the 123rd Aircraft Repair Plant in Staraya Russa, but in the future the aircraft is planned to be placed in a dedicated museum in Demyansk. The plane is quite large, with a wingspan of 15 meters. So far, as historians point out, the fate of the aircraft's crew remains unclear. On the day it went down, August 14, 1941, the regiment lost 3 IL-2s in the skies over Novgorod. Of the 3 crew members aboard those aircraft, one eventually returned to the regiment, while the other 2 went missing. A parachute was found inside the aircraft when it was raised. This presents another mystery. Either the equipment belonged to the pilot who made it back, he may have unstrapped the parachute because it's hard to swim with one, or the parachute's owner died in the aircraft, and for some reason, his body was never recovered. The IL-2 landed on water on August 14, 1941, during the Nazi assault on Novgorod, the attempt to capture the city. At that time, the 62nd Regiment had just received a new aircraft and joined the battle. During the defense of the city, the regiment lost 13 planes. On that particular day, August 14, they lost 3. Before the main phase of the restoration began, it was decided to display the aircraft for 2 weeks for the local residents and visitors to see. After that, the IL-2 will continue undergoing restoration. Unfortunately, returning it to flight condition is not currently planned. Instead, it will take its place in the new museum. That's all for today, friends. If you would like to support our channel, you can send a super thanks of any amount or become a sponsor for just $1. Best wishes to all of you. Bye bye.